Welcome to this tutorial for the calculation system for fixed packages of Aladdin Travel Agency. First thing you do is to go to the website under the domain www.ate-europe.com. Afterwards, you go to packages. You have winter and summer packages. Choose the season. Afterwards, you will see the packages that are available. This is the number of the package, departure date, number of days and nights, destinations of the package. The rate here, this is rate per pax in double room. You go to more information, you will find name of the cities, duration from 2, number of nights in each city, and this is the calculation. First, in Vienna, 3 nights from 15th of June until the 18th of June. This is the hotel. By clicking on it, you will go to the link of the hotel directly. Selamsi, 18th until the 22nd. Ljubljana, 22nd until the 24th. Venice, 24th until the 26th. For the calculation, first thing is the transfer. If you want to include transfer only, or if you want to put self-drive or car with driver. For transfer only, it's going to be 7 packs for 7 packs. For example, we can put here number of double room, 2 double rooms, and 1 single room. So the total packs is 5. If we have 1 children, let's say 10 years old, calculation will be made. So this is the total in double, total in single, total for transfer, and this is the total for these rooms, including the child in extra bed. This is the number. If you want to calculate the exchange, this is just only to help you for calculation. For the exchange rate, let's say in Kuwaiti dinar, it's going to be 0.34 approximately. So this is the rate in Kuwaiti dinar. If you want to put in Riyal, Saudi Riyal is changed to 4.23, for example, for today's rate, and this is the rate for Riyal. This is the number, the rate per pax in double, per pax in single, and this is for the child, and this is the per pax in bus. So this rate is including the transfer. If you want to put self-drive, that means in bus for 8 pax, this is going to be the rate per pax in double, in single, and for the children. According to the information you put in, you will find the rates. These rates are commissionable at 10%. Terms and conditions are there. Please read carefully, especially for transportation, self-drive, and car with driver. For any inquiries or any question, please do not hesitate to contact us anytime under this email address, this phone number, or fax. Thank you for watching.